Mm-hmm. That's it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, kind of like right.
Yeah.
It's a whole bunch of little tops right now. Lava came back tonight.
Yeah.
Whole bunch of stuff going on right now.
Also, people fans join this live video.
Tonight, tomorrow, these would be good times to come see Kilauea. See, there's a lot of gas building the pressure back up.
你们周围你去过玩过吗？
没拍。
哦，你们在上学啊？
对，我们研究生，而且就是
哪个学校？
东北大学。哎呦，东西。
哦，你说东北大学，我以为。
对，因为太多，这世界上太多这个名字了。
Joe, watch that for a second. Got some cool stuff to show you though. Stay tuned. All right, let's move past the cone actually for a minute. Over here, we got all these rivers kind of coalescing into the main area where it's coming out of what I call the artesian well. You can see it's just flowing out of this little pool over here. Once it overflows, it's just kind of an endless flow, then that's what fills this whole big lake. But over here, you got the flow coming out of there. You got these rivers coming off at the ledge. It's pretty much just insane out here. Welcome to the new 1800s. Oh my God. You just stay right there for a while. If someone falls off the cliff, I'm gonna film it.
Right, it's Hawaii.
I'm playing. That's the top of the main cone. All right, y'all, that's yours. If you are on the Big Island, you might want to get out today or tomorrow.
你们国内从哪里来啊？哎呦，没事吧？家里没事。哦，太好了。没有想着是吧？
It's incredibly hard to time it.
但是挺惨的，这当时的时候哈。
With your vacation, but nevertheless, man, it's killing right now. So, right on, y'all. Aloha. Ahui ho.